Look at that perfect sizzle, look at that color and that crunch. If you have leftover dosa batter in your fridge, don't let it go to waste. Today I'm showing you how to turn that simple leftover batter into crispy street style paddu or appe that tastes exactly like it's from the professional South Indian hotels or from the streets. Hi everyone, welcome back to Deepaks kitchen. Many of you asked for this variation, so let's jump right into the process and let's see how to make this street style crispy and delicious paddu. These are the ingredients required to make the paddu. Take a screenshot of it if you want. First, we prepare the batter. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of sugar. This is the secret hotel trick. The sugar caramelizes on the pot on the hot pan to give you the paddu a beautiful golden brown color. Now mix in your grated carrot and fresh coriander leaves. If your batter hasn't been fermented recently, add a tiny pinch of cooking soda. Will help them get fluffy. That's the secret. And now mix it nice and well. Now the batter preparation is done. Let's keep this aside. Now for the tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. And we need to add the mustard seeds, nearly half a teaspoon of it. Allow it to crackle. At the same time, we'll add some chana dal, say around a half a teaspoon, that also. Let them crackle. And now add your green chillies.
Add some chopped curry leaves
and saute for a bit. And now we'll add some onions finely chopped into the pan, and we'll add some salt, and we only want to soften the onions slightly as they'll finish cooking inside the paddu batter. Now pour this hot tempering into the paddu batter. A quick tip, if you wanna do a perfect Brahmin style, you can completely omit or skip the onions. Now pour this into hot flavorful tempering directly into your batter and give it one final thorough mix. Now this batter is perfectly done. Now it's ready to make the paddus. Let's get cooking. Your paddu pan must be very hot. That's a first tip for getting that perfect crispy crunchy paddus. For this I'm going to add a little oil to each hole and wait until it just starts to smoke. Leave it for about 1 or 2 minutes and you need to see the smoke rising. Now carefully pour in the batter. Don't overfill them. Leave a little room for them to rise. Add little by little in each holes. Now we'll allow this to cook. Cover the lid and let them steam on a medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes until low to medium flame. That flame is the main game changer. Time for the reveal. Take a spoon and gently flip them over. Wow, look at that color. Using a spoon, gently scoop and flip them over. See that uniform golden crust? That's exactly what the sugar and the high heat achieves. Let the other side cook for about another 2 minutes. Now look, everything look delicious and perfect. Take them out in a plate. They're best served piping hot. And there you have it. Perfect South Indian street style paddu from leftover dosa batter. In my next video, I'm going to show you a 5-minute chutney recipe. It's so good, you will do it for every other dish. You don't believe this simple ingredients that makes this so creamy. I'll see you in next one. Till then, this is Deepaks signing off on Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaskara.